Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among lush green hills, there lived a man named Haruto. Haruto was a middle-aged man who led a simple life, but was heavily burdened by regrets from his past mistakes. He often pondered and regretted the missed opportunities and wrong decisions that had caused him to lose precious things. These thoughts prevented Haruto from enjoying the present and made his life seem dull and unfulfilling. One early morning, Haruto decided to take a walk along the riverbank to find some peace of mind. The sky was still dark, and the air was cool and quiet. As he walked, Haruto accidentally stumbled upon a bag lying on the ground. Curious, he picked up the bag and reached inside. To his surprise, the bag was full of stones. To pass the time, Haruto sat down by the river and began throwing the stones into the water, one by one. He watched the ripples each stone made as it sank, his mind wandering through thoughts of the past. After a while, Haruto reached for the last stone. Just as he was about to throw it into the river, the sun began to rise, casting its golden light everywhere. In the new light, he looked at the stone in his hand and quickly stopped. Haruto was astonished to see that it was not just a stone, but a precious jewel sparkling in the sunlight. He stared at it in shock and realized what he had done. He had thrown away countless precious jewels, mistaking them for ordinary stones. Overwhelmed with regret, Haruto began to cry bitterly. He sat there for a long time, cursing the darkness that had prevented him from seeing the true value of the jewels and lamenting his misfortune. Just then, a monk happened to pass by. Seeing Haruto in distress, the monk approached him and gently asked, "My friend, what is troubling you? Why are you crying?" Haruto recounted his story to the monk, explaining how he had unknowingly thrown away the precious jewels. The monk listened patiently and then kindly said, "Do not be sad, my friend. Consider yourself fortunate that the sun rose before you threw away the last jewel. This one precious stone can still change your life. So, rejoice in what you have and strive for a brighter future. And thank the Almighty for this blessing." Hearing the monk's words, Haruto stopped crying. He understood the wisdom in the monk's words. With a renewed sense of hope and gratitude, he thanked the monk and returned home, clutching the precious jewel with a smile on his face. When Haruto returned to the village, he began to see life from a new perspective. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes, he focused on the good things in the present and appreciated what he had. He realized that in life, we often overlook the precious things because we focus too much on what we have lost. Haruto decided to live each day with gratitude and cherish the present moments. The changes in Haruto's mindset were quickly noticed by the villagers. He started sharing his story with everyone, encouraging them not to let the past affect the present and to be grateful for what they have. Haruto became an inspiration to those around him, helping them recognize the value of gratitude and the importance of living in the present. As time passed, Haruto turned the last precious jewel into a symbol of hope and new beginnings. He created artworks from the jewel, expressing the transformation in his soul and his rebirth. Haruto's artworks quickly gained recognition, not only for their beauty, but also for the inspiring story behind each piece. Haruto felt happy and fulfilled. He knew that life was full of hidden jewels waiting to be discovered. Don't let the darkness of regret overshadow the light of what you have. Cherish the present, learn from the past, and move forward with awareness and gratitude. Haruto's story is a powerful reminder of the importance of gratitude and awareness. It teaches us that each moment holds the potential for a new beginning and invaluable treasures. Cherish it, and you will find that the greatest jewels in life are often the ones we already have.